Good evening, everyone at randfinance.com, and welcome to another edition of Dino's Tech Picks. Tonight is the 1st of August, 2012, about 9:45 p.m. And looking at the minis again here, and well, we got our Fed news today. We got a pretty decent sized downdraft here on looking at the 4 hour. But as I mentioned in the blog update, we hit the bottom of this bear flag channel. I'm sorry, bull flag channel, and bounced, and then the start of the aftermarkets candle here came down, bounced again, and now we're kind of moving up. As much as I'm still a bear in all this, I am 75% short. I am not discounting this setup here. It's pretty much a perfect technical setup. Nice pull, nice flag. It's trending down, diminishing volume. We're tagging the top and the bottom of the flag very nicely, very well proportioned. It just won't go away. I was hoping after the Fed news we would maybe come down and back test this green line. Didn't do that. We basically held. Some buyers stepped in and kept the market up. Could argue that maybe we got a little bear flag going on here, but this is the more dominant pattern in my mind. So that's the one I'm going to keep an eye on. Panning out, we still have our channel in place that we've been talking about. Got some overhead resistance here off of these head and shoulder patterns from earlier in the year that we got to get above. But again, if this pattern breaks here, this bull flag, it's got a target in the 1430s, which is basically going to get us new highs all the way around. So, unlike some of these other formations like here, we kind of had a, possibly a bull flag forming, and it kind of popped and then fizzled, and see how this is trending up. This one's trending down, and that's exactly what you want in a bull flag. So going to keep an eye on that. NASDAQ and Dow dailies, not much changing here. We're still in that channel. Looking at a 4 hour, one can argue you got your kind of same bull flag going on here. And that's on the NASDAQ. On the Dow, kind of same thing. This is on a daily view. Gonna definitely keep an eye on that. See how those play out. The S&P, kind of the same thing. If we look at the 4 hour here, kind of got the same setup. But one bearish thing I will say is this pattern's kind of holding to recent history, where as soon as it touched the top of the channel, it drifted down, tap, drift down, tap, drift down, tap, or drifting down. The only difference is we had a couple, big candlesticks in here, again, if this pattern holds true, this historical pattern, then we should get a big downdraft here one of these days. But again, this is the guy that scares me, because this could pop overnight even. Everyone's kind of expecting summer sell-off. Fed minutes came out. No real catalyst type news there to take us to new highs. I think the news that did come out was already baked in. So, is anyone expecting a bump to 1430 here in the next couple of months? No, I don't think there's anybody, or at least I don't hear of anybody. So keep an eye on that. see how it plays out. I'll check things out in the morning and post an update if you want to check back in, and we'll see if we get some clues to tomorrow's trading. Thanks.